Anything can happen where all of a sudden you're looking at your numbers and you're saying to yourself, I don't trust this.
One of the biggest challenges, no matter what software I've sold, has always been user adoption. How does AI first development change that? Does it make it easier?
Teaching humans how to use software has always been the biggest bottleneck. Every business owner in home improvement can attest to that. There is no easy fix.
I mean, you want to be out talking to people and doing that, the stuff that we love that comes natural, not, sitting at a keyboard typing things in and entering information. Like, I know it all, it's all right here.
It's pretty simple. You want to do the job that you are hired for. Through the past 2 decades of technology, a lot of work has been done to create user interfaces that are much more human friendly so that it's a little more intuitive for someone to input the name, address, estimate. That changes with AI. AI now has access to CRM and is able to listen to that conversation and enter in any fields that your business finds important to record down. That is where the opportunity lies in getting people to adopt new software. You want your folks to be focused on what they do best, which is taking care of customers. And fundamentally, technology today that's AI first, AI native. What does that mean? It was built entirely for the AI to use rather than the human. That will allow you to not have to train your employees on the tedious, manual, boring work that reps, your management team, all of them don't want to do.
I don't want to do anything.
There's a good reason they do it in the first place. They don't want to drop the ball. They want to get all the information. They want to forecast profit margins. They want to be able to drill down if something unexpected happened to a job. They want to be able to understand exactly what happened between the customer and a sales rep. That's why it's important to have a real-time visibility over what happens with every single prospect, customer, and project. That is something that AI can really do in the background all the time instead of relying on humans. We know humans are bound to human biases. Your call center rep might be favoring scheduling one sales rep or a technician from another. Anything can happen where all of a sudden you're looking at your numbers and you're saying to yourself, I don't trust this. I'm sure many people have gone into a situation where it's he said, she said, and
Yeah.
you're like, I don't even know who's right here,
Gonna get Judge Judy involved in those cases, man.
especially when it comes to compliance, any sort of auditing that's going to happen to your business where it's going to matter. If you have AI listening throughout your entire tech stack, it's able to deliver you the insights, the gut checks that you need to do your job in a data-driven and confident way.
And it allows somebody even like me to query the data in plain English. How's that been? See, I'm learning. I'm gonna keep this going. So I appreciate your help. Let's keep on rocking. We'll talk to you later.
Yeah, let's go. All right. Take
Let's
care.
go.